MailerLite Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to the MailerLite Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience with MailerLite's affiliate program, going over its features, and explaining who it's best suited for. You can find the product links in the description below to get started. MailerLite is a popular email marketing platform that's known for its simplicity, affordability, and powerful automation tools. It's designed for small to medium-sized businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs looking to grow their email list and increase their customer engagement. The platform offers everything from email campaigns and automation workflows to landing pages and forms, all at an accessible price point, which is why it's loved by so many. As for the MailerLite affiliate program, it's a fantastic opportunity to earn a 30% recurring commission for each customer you refer to the platform. This means you'll keep earning commission as long as your referral continues to use MailerLite, which can lead to a passive income stream over time. The program provides affiliates with a range of promotional materials, including banners, email templates, and ready-made content to make it easy to get started. MailerLite's affiliate dashboard is intuitive and provides useful analytics so you can track your referrals and commissions. You also get access to a 90-day cookie window, which means that you'll be credited for any signups within 90 days of someone clicking on your affiliate link. MailerLite is especially well-suited for small business owners, bloggers, freelancers, and digital marketers. If your audience consists of people who need an easy-to-use, cost-effective email marketing solution, MailerLite is an excellent choice for them. It's simple enough for beginners, but powerful enough for experienced marketers. In conclusion, the MailerLite affiliate program offers a generous 30% recurring commission, an easy-to-use dashboard, and a great platform that helps businesses succeed with their email marketing campaigns. If you're looking for a reliable affiliate program that provides both value to your audience and long-term earning potential, I highly recommend giving MailerLite a try. Check out the links in the description and start promoting today. Thanks for watching.